When you start 3D Studio Max for the first time, you simply double click on one of the icons and up will come the splash screen. You'll notice that the splash screen is initializing and loading plugins. It'll do this for almost all the standard plugins as well as some of the other plugins. Okay, once it's gone through and initialized most of 3D Studio Max, it'll come up with this 3D Studio Max driver setup. Now, what this is this tells 3D Studio Max what kind of driver you're using to render your display views and so on. Now, if you're lucky enough to have a specialist piece of hardware that supports OpenGL or even Direct3D, then you can click on either one of these. I'm going to take OpenGL because my video card can support it. So once I've selected the driver type, I just OK that. Then 3D Studio Max will actually start for the first time. Now it's started, you can see we've got a very basic 3D Studio Max interface. From here we can go and change things like the size of my icons, placement of toolbars, and so on. I usually change the size of the icons because I don't like the big icons. They seem to take up just a little bit too much of my very valuable screen real estate. We can do that by going to Customize, Preferences, and here where it says Use Large Toolbar Buttons, we just untick that and OK it. It's asking us to restart the software so that it can redo the button sizes. Now next time I restart 3D Studio Max, I'm going to have smaller buttons and I'm going to be using the OpenGL drivers for the video card.